It's a holiday extravaganza. Now through January 4th, artists are displaying and selling their creations at the Trumbull Art Gallery in downtown Warren in a very special way.
Well, this is our Trees at the Gallery holiday market. This is our 5th year, and it includes artists who bring their work here that they've made through the year, and it's up for 6 weeks. And people come and buy them for gifts or for themselves, to decorate their homes or to use or to wear. Ornaments, pieces of ceramic, jewelry, crocheted items, hand-sewn items. This year we have woodworking items like cutting boards and bowls and vases. You kind of have to look around. There's a lot of different things.
What started as just a 3-day event has now expanded into 8 weeks.
The art is set up for 8 weeks instead of 3 days, so it's less work. And then, as we said, they don't have to be here all the time. We have invited artists to do demonstration on certain days, which we will post, so the public can meet the artists.
And not only does the Trumbull Art Gallery Marketplace help local artists, it also helps educate students, both young and old.
So the Angel for Education program was created to help underwrite the cost of classes for, at first, for children or underserved populous children and now adults. Because, and we are in contact with schools, local school, and then, teacher might recommend or send a class, or we're trying to work like this. And we realize that a lot of children, art is so important for children. Maybe they don't have the means to pay for a fee for a class, pottery class, stained glass, anything, painting. So the fund we collect with Art for Education, the Angel for Art Education, will help underwrite underwrite those costs.
So visit TrumbleArtGallery.com for more information on the marketplace and the winter classes.